These are the 9.5-inch pineapple LED color changing lamps in gold. Very nice. They look very elevated. Very, very elevated. Decorative, not toyish, and surprisingly solid for accent lighting. I like the swirling effect. It adds movement and glow without being harsh or distracting. You can power by battery, 3 AAA, or you can charge, which the USB power makes placement so easy. I'm charging this one up right now. So lightweight, so smooth, no sharp edges. They're kid safe, but they're adult approved. Would I buy them again? Yes. I like this 2-pack. As accent lighting, they're very cute. You can put these on shelves, on nightstands. Best used for ambiance with visual interest. You can like put a little object on top, or you could put a candle. I have a little bird I could put. Very cute. Very cute. So if you like subtle drama and low commitment decor, these will do the job without overthinking. Highly recommend.